Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to find Invite Collaborator on Instagram, and the second thing I will tell you what to do if you don't see this feature in your Instagram account. So I will show you on my mobile screen. So first of all, you need to update your Instagram application. So once it is done, open your Instagram account. So after this, so I will select any one post here. So I will click and I will select any post and I will click on next. Okay, so here you need to click on tag people. So here below you can see the option as invite collaborator. Click on this and you need to type a username. Okay, for example, here you can see I will type the username of my another page, this one. Okay, now I need to click on tick mark. So here I can post any caption I want. Now I will post this. Okay, so now this post will appear in that account only if I will accept. So here you can see this is my second page. So now I will go to a notification section. Here you can see. Now you can see notification. Here you can see. Just click on it and here scroll, you can see the option as invited you to be a collaborator on their post. Click on review. Now you will see the option as accept. Just click on accept. So it is done. So now I will show you on my this account from where I have posted on my mobile screen. So here you can see I will check my notification. Here you can see points romance to accepted your invitation to be a collaborator on your post. So you can see, now I will go to my post and here you can see both of my account username is here. Here you can see first and second. So this is how you can post this type of post on Instagram. So if still you don't have this feature in your Instagram account, then click on this three line, go to settings, now go to help, now select the option as report a problem. Now go with a last option, report a problem. So here you need to upload a screenshot of that section where that feature is missing, you are not getting that option, and just write a small note like that you don't have this feature and please request them to provide this feature to your account and click on submit. So after that you need to wait for 24 to 72 hours, and after that it's not sure, but there will be a chances of getting this feature in your Instagram account. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.